Hello everyone. So today I have a very interesting practical in front of all of you. So what I have done is here I am going to show you how I have created an IoT device and how I am going to access it via internet. And the second thing is how I'm going to safeguard my PC. So what I'm going to do here is let me explain. So this is an ultrasonic sensor out here which is going to detect if any object would come in front of it. Okay. And as it will detect something out here, this is my code in Arduino. It is going to if something would be less than 10 centimeter distance from this ultrasonic sensor, it will just glow this light up, this one, and if it is away then it would not. So if you want to see, then let me first of all compile this code and then this. There are so many more things which I am going to show you in few minutes. So as there would be something in front of it in the range of 10 centimeter, it is glow light. As it go away, it's not glow, not glow, not glow, not. So this is how it works. And if you want to see the distance at which the object is, so here you can see like it is showing low, means this LED is off right now. As I will do something, you can see on the screen it is high, and it is also showing the distance. So this is how it works. It is the another thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give an intelligence to this device via Python. So what it is going to do is this Arduino will send this output to my Python code. This is my Python out here, and the Python is going to do a great job. Python, and the one more thing, the output of this means whether someone is here in front of it or not will be shown to my mobile also via internet. So here right now I am using Wi-Fi, we are in the same network, so that's why I am doing. Otherwise I can do it by internet also. Here I am using a socket programming. The next thing which is going to do is, as someone will come in front of it like this light glow up, it will command my computer to click a photo of that guy and send me a mail that someone is near your PC. Wow, how interesting it is. So what I have done is I have connected Python with Arduino and make it an IoT device. So see, let's just go with the setup. Here is my mobile where I have Python interpreter, and I have written a small socket code, programming code, which is going to fetch the output which my this socket program will send, as well as my this PC socket program is going to launch a camera, and then it is going to, this is my email ID, and it is going to just send that email of that person. So it is quite interesting. Let's begin. So what I have to do is let's just run the code. So you can see my Python has established a serial connection with Arduino. Now I'm going to start a socket. This is also very important. And see, I'm going to connect each and everything from my mobile. Right now this socket has been started, but it will just start working when I will from my mobile I will start this program. Let's then run this one. This is a very important thing. It is going to click my photo and just send me a mail. And this is the main thing. Wow. So here what I'm going to do is here there's a while true, which is keep on fetching the data from Arduino, and as there would be a high means the bulb is glowing, then it will just send my mobile high, and as well as it will just start a thread. Why I'm doing a thread? Because I am running that camera one function in thread so that it can run in parallel, as well as it is just going to send me a data in my mobile. So what it is, let's just run this. So I have run this too, and here I have started program, and now you can see, I hope you can see, it is saying low, means nothing is in front of it. And as I would do something like I am just going to put my hand.
Someone is near your PC, sir.
See,
Someone is near your PC, sir.
So it is also saying someone is near your PC, as well as high was showing out here. I can't show you both of things in the same time, but see here it is showing low, and I am at a distance of 65 centimeter. As I would just put my hand out here, and it is showing good hi. And it is also in the same time clicking my photo. I can't show you this much thing in a way, but I can show you here. This is my inbox, and as I will refresh, you would be something would be great out here. See, there is an alert message come out here. It is showing someone is near your PC, and it has clicked my photo right now. This is me. It has clicked my photo that someone is near my PC, and it is running. It is in while loop. See, it is showing low, means that LED is off because no one is near that PC in the range of 10 centimeter. I can increase that range according to me if I want. And if I would come go a bit more closer.
Someone is near your PC, sir. Someone is near your PC.
See, it is showing hi, and it has again clicked my photo and again send me alert message. So wow. So you can see out here, if I would refresh my email, 2 more message I have came, and it is again showing like I was just showing something. So it is again showing like someone is near the PC, and it is running. Here I have used command to speak also, but see, and I am controlling all of these things from mobile. Everything is visible in my mobile. I can take my mobile anywhere, and I can see whether someone is near my PC or not. If I am not here, this ultrasonic sensor is going to detect, and as it will detect, it will turn on or off light, and in the same way it is going to send that message to Python. Then Python will send via socket programming this message to my mobile so that I can view wherever I want. And the second thing, Python will also click the photo of that person and will send a mail to me. Okay, so that's how it is great. I can create an application for this also. I can create a Flutter application, and it would be just in easy. But right now I am using this Python interpreter for transferring data, but that's a very easy thing, I can. So this is how it is working. It is an IoT device because it is going to do each and everything I can access from internet. That's the help from socket programming and the threading Python concept, as well as the main Arduino also. So see, whatever the output you can see here, it would be shown my screen. It is keep on checking, means each and every second it is keep on checking if someone is there or not. So right now no one is here, so it is saying like that. It is just going to do using that ultrasonic sensor, and it is just detecting if someone is there or not. So wow, that's how it is. It is looking like if someone go.
Someone is near your PC.
And
sir.
you will see
Someone is near your
my
PC.
PC that light turn on, and each and every turn light on, and it's just clicking my photo. So this is how it is working, and it would keep on working as I have used while low. So that's all what I have to show here. I want to add so many else thing here, like I can use here machine learning, which is going to fetch my face, so it will not send this message of someone is near your PC, sir, because I am the owner. So it will detect me, and the other person other than me will come, then it is going to detect him and say there's someone else is in front of your PC. That's also a thing which I can do, which I will add in future. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and I really like this.
Someone is near your PC, sir. Someone is
Okay,
near your
so
PC, sir.
that's all.